Welcome to Self-Hosted Pro. Today we're going to be installing Sonarr and Radarr to manage movie and TV downloads. Before we start, I just want to announce that Hosted and I have set up a GitHub repo with some Portainer templates to let you one-click deploy the majority of popular self-hosted applications. And if we don't have something that you want, make sure to open an issue on our GitHub page so we can get it added for you. To start off with, Portainer has some more enterprise-focused app templates that are available by default. To get the app templates that we've set up for you, all you need to do is go to our GitHub page. If you're using Open Media Vault, switch over to the Open Media Vault branch. Select template, template.json, and then raw. And you'll get the raw file path for our template. And then you can come down into settings, check use external templates, and paste the template in there. And then click on save settings. So now we can hop over into our app templates and we see a ton of self-hosted app templates available. We're just going to search for Sonarr. And now we can click on Sonarr. You're going to click on show advanced options and you're going to put in the port you want it available on. All of the volume mapping is done automatically for you, so all you have to do is click on deploy. And now we can see that it's running. So we can head over to port 8989 on our Portainer host. And we can see that we have Sonarr up and running. So let's go ahead and do the same thing for Radarr. This is going to be on port 7878. And then you can just click on deploy. And now we can head over to port 7878 on our Portainer host. And we can see Radarr is set up. Before we get started using Sonarr and Radarr, we're going to have to set up an indexer, which I'm going to be covering in the next video. It's pretty easy to get going, and then we will also need a torrent client to get stuff downloaded, which I will also be doing in the next video, and then showing you how to set up Radarr and Sonarr. Sorry this video is so short, but the next video will be a bit longer as we set up the indexer and BitTorrent client. And then in the video after that, we will actually set up Sonarr and Radarr to monitor things, and I'll show you guys how the downloads and everything like that works. If you guys have any questions about the Portainer templates or anything I did in this video, please be sure to leave a comment and feel free to contribute on the GitHub with either projects that you want as app templates or any issues that you come across with how it's set up. In the meantime, stay tuned for part 2 of this, and don't forget to like and subscribe.